All right, first thing, here's my recommendation for a travel lamp. Look at the size of this. It's tiny, and it sounds fantastic. Like, here, let me plug into it and show you. Um, I tested it out before I got it. Oops. And because I just wanted something simple to carry around with me. I was really surprised, like especially because it can pick up the fast playing really well. So yeah, yeah. I mean, it picks it up very, very well. So highly recommend, you want to get an amp for traveling, this is the thing. Positive Grid, that's the name of it. Really, really damn good. Like, it's one of the best. This is by far, as far like a practice travel amp, this is the best one I've ever had. Easily. So a big part of that is because of how small it is and how good it reacts to, playing and how it sounds. I mean, it's, not going to be the best audio quality because of the speaker, but I think that thing's like, 5 watts? It's still fantastic. Perfect. It fits in your guitar case, no problem. Really, really good. Okay, so some things about this guy, and we need to keep working on this because we got to fix some stuff. So, biggest thing I heard was that chord never being played. That resolve chord is important. It's there for a reason. Cutting that out is no good. So when it comes to the repetitions, we don't add that in just when the repetitions happen. So I know, like with this one, I didn't demonstrate it until now. But when you see it there, it's important. You still got to play that. And when you're working it up, don't cut out the last chord. That's important. The other thing is the faster you got, the more inaccurate this became. So got to be extra careful when you're working this up. Remember, if you have any doubts whatsoever, if you played it dead on accurate, assume that you did not and try it again. Only move up when you're like, yep, I nailed that. There's no way I played it wrong. Also notice that even though we have 3 strings on these chords, you're only using 2 fingers. Now, is that because you're only playing 2 strings, or are you barring? So let me know that. Are you just playing 2 strings, or are you actually barring the chord? We are. We are trying to play all 3 strings there. Yes, for a lot of fast things, we'd only use 2 strings. But sometimes it sounds a little bit better or feels even more aggressive to play all 3. Anyway, so let's get into demonstrating this guy, and the video that you sent in, it did cut off when you started doing repetitions. So unfortunately, I didn't get to see that. I was curious what was going to happen there. So yeah, make sure that you do 4 repeats. Definitely get the 4 repeats in when you're ready to do that. So here we go. Number 1, continuing on this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. You notice what I'm doing here is tapping the body of the guitar when the chord is being held out. That's something you can do to really help make sure that you're locked into that beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And good old 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. All right, let's try those repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, moving on. Number 2, going to start working with eighth notes, and how we count along is going to change a little bit. So we're going to focus on strumming down on the downbeat, up on the upbeat. So when the metronome clicks, that's your downbeat, and then right in between those clicks, that's the upbeat. So we got an eighth note count right here, because that's what we're thinking of, like how we're dividing up the bars. So thinking about dividing it up into 8 equal parts, but we're not playing on every single part, but we're thinking about dividing it up into that many. So we got quarter note, 2 eighth notes, and a quarter note. So what we're going to do is only say what we play. So like the previous thing, yes, saying all 4 beats, that's helpful because we got, kind of a special rhythm going on there, where if we're not saying all the beat numbers, it can be easy to get lost, like especially when the chords near the end there are being held out for several beats. So if you're not counting those beats, it's very easy to get lost. So really important, keep counting along with that as best as you can. So with this guy, saying only what you play. So basically, when we're playing this, we're not going to be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the way I like to think about this, and sometimes we'll even do this where we actually write out a full count like this and only underline which part of the count we play on. So we'll get into that if we need to. But basically, quarter note, that comes in on beat 1. This quarter note comes in on beat 2. Then this eighth note comes in on beat 3. This eighth note is on the upbeat of 3. So that's on the and right there. And this is quarter note coming in on the downbeat of 4. So playing this, your count is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Strumming, every time it's a downbeat, you're going to strum down. Every time it's an upbeat, you're going to strum up. So that means you're going to strum it as down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down. So here we go. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 1, 2. Hold on a second. That's not what I meant to write. Sorry. One moment, please. That needs to be this. Whoops. That's the progression. That's the progression. All right, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 4. And the good old 240. So, yeah, this is another one. Basically, all three of these. If you reach 240 early, do the same kind of video thing where you go start at 60, go up in 20s to show that you got it all and it's going okay. But, all right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All right, number 3. So this one's got more eighth notes involved. Got string changes happening. I want to hear how you do with that. And here we go, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 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 120. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 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 Hopefully that's not too loud. Looks like that microphone was a bit too hot there. All right. Level adjusted. Let's go to 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right, yeah, that's that. Sounds like a pretty interesting job you got there, traveling around and doing all that stuff. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Traveling guitar metal chef, hell yeah. So yeah, Positive Grid, that was the amp, and that's like maybe $120, maybe $150. I know it's not that expensive. Another thing that's really nice about that. So highly recommend that guy. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.